Looking for the perfect protection for your iPhone 16? In this video, we're showcasing the best iPhone 16 cases that combine style, durability, and functionality. Whether you're after sleek designs or military-grade protection, we've got you covered. Make sure to check the product links in the description below for all the cases featured today. Let's dive in. ESR iPhone 16 Case. Introducing the ESR for iPhone 16 case, designed to offer unmatched protection without compromising style. Built with military-grade shock protection, this case is crafted to absorb impacts from accidental drops, keeping your iPhone 16 safe and secure. The classic hybrid design combines a durable hardback with flexible, shock-absorbing sides for all-around defense. This case is also MagSafe compatible, featuring ESR's Halo-Lock magnetic ring that ensures a secure connection for MagSafe accessories, whether you're charging or using a magnetic wallet. Its precise alignment with your iPhone 16 makes attaching and detaching accessories a breeze. The ESR case stands out not just for protection but for a sleek, minimalist design that enhances the natural beauty of your device. Whether you're at the office, gym, or out for a night, this case delivers a professional look with maximum functionality. If you're looking for a balance of durability, style, and MagSafe compatibility, the ESR Halo-Lock iPhone 16 case is the perfect match. Tori 5-in-1 iPhone 16 case. Introducing the Tori 5-in-1 case for iPhone 16, the ultimate protection solution that does more than just safeguard your device. Designed for the iPhone 16, 6.1-inch, and fully MagSafe compatible, this case features advanced military-grade protection that shields your phone from accidental drops, impacts, and scratches. The Tori case is engineered with anti-yellowing technology, ensuring that the crystal-clear design stays pristine and transparent over time, allowing the beauty of your iPhone to shine through. It comes as a complete package, including 2 screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors, providing full-body defense for both your display and camera lenses against everyday wear and tear. With MagSafe compatibility, this case ensures a strong magnetic connection, making wireless charging and attaching accessories simple and seamless. Its slim profile offers superior grip without adding bulk, while maintaining a stylish and minimalist aesthetic. For those seeking a reliable, all-in-one solution with long-lasting clarity, Tori's 5-in-1 iPhone 16 case is the perfect choice for complete peace of mind. Geek iPhone 16 case. Introducing the Geek Clear case for iPhone 16, a perfect blend of protection, style, and clarity. Designed with 16 feet military-grade drop protection, this slim yet durable case ensures your iPhone 16 is fully shielded from accidental drops, bumps, and scratches, all while maintaining a sleek profile. The crystal-clear design showcases the natural beauty of your iPhone 16, enhanced by anti-yellowing technology, which keeps the case looking brand new over time. The slim fit ensures a comfortable grip and easy handling without adding unnecessary bulk. Featuring a shock-proof bumper, this case provides extra reinforcement around the edges where it matters most, absorbing impacts to keep your phone safe. The precise cutouts allow for seamless access to all buttons, ports, and features, offering an effortless user experience. Whether you're at work, on the go, or enjoying a night out, the Geek iPhone 16 Clear case offers the ultimate protection without sacrificing style. If you're looking for long-lasting clarity and top-tier defense, the Geek case is your perfect match for 2024. Tocool 3-in-1 Magnetic iPhone 16 case. Introducing the Tocool 3-in-1 magnetic case for iPhone 16, a powerful combination of style, functionality, and protection. This case is designed for full compatibility with MagSafe, ensuring a strong magnetic connection for seamless wireless charging and easy accessory attachment. Featuring 16 feet military-grade drop protection, the Tocool case guards your iPhone 16 against accidental drops, impacts, and everyday wear. The translucent matte back adds a sophisticated touch, while providing a smudge-proof and scratch-resistant surface that maintains the sleek look of your phone. What sets this case apart is the upgraded full camera protection, with raised edges and shock-proof bumpers around the camera lens, giving you peace of mind that your phone's camera is safe from damage. The case's slim profile and precise cutouts offer easy access to all buttons and ports, without compromising protection or style. With the Tokal 3-in-1 case, you get an all-around solution for your iPhone 16, blending superior defense, magnetic convenience, and a modern design for users who want both style and substance in their phone case. Autofly-compatible iPhone 16 case. Introducing the Autofly magnetic silicone case for iPhone 16, where style meets unbeatable protection. Designed for MagSafe compatibility, this case provides a secure magnetic connection, making wireless charging effortless and ensuring your accessories stay perfectly in place. Built with military-grade shockproof technology, the Autofly case delivers reliable protection from drops, bumps, and everyday accidents. Its soft-touch silicone exterior not only feels great in your hand, but also offers a non-slip grip, keeping your iPhone 16 safe and secure wherever you go. This package includes 2 premium screen protectors, providing comprehensive protection for both your phone screen and body. The case's precise cutouts ensure easy access to all buttons, ports, and features, while its slim profile maintains the sleek design of your iPhone 16 without adding bulk. Available in a range of stylish colors, the Autofly magnetic silicone case is perfect for those who want modern, minimalist style combined with robust protection. Sonics case for iPhone 16. Introducing the Sonics case for iPhone 16, a perfect blend of style and protection designed to enhance your iPhone 16 experience. This case is fully MagSafe compatible, offering a secure magnetic connection for effortless wireless charging and easy accessory attachment, all while keeping your phone looking sleek and modern. With 10 feet drop-tested protection, the Sonics case provides military-grade defense against accidental drops, bumps, and everyday wear and tear. Whether you're at work, out with friends, or on the go, your iPhone 16 stays shielded from impact, thanks to its shock-absorbing materials and reinforced corners. Beyond just protection, the Sonics case boasts fashion-forward designs, making it the perfect accessory for those who want to express their personal style without compromising on safety. The slim profile ensures that your phone remains lightweight and easy to handle, while precise cutouts offer easy access to all buttons, ports, and features. For a case that delivers stylish durability and MagSafe convenience, the Sonics case for iPhone 16 is the ideal choice for anyone looking for the perfect mix of fashion and function. Thanks for watching. If you found the perfect case for your iPhone 16, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and accessories. And remember, all the product links are in the description below, so you can easily grab the one that suits your style. Stay tuned for more top tech picks.